Alright guys, I'm not sure if you guys caught yesterday's live stream, but if you didn't, I put a link in the description below. I did a live stream where I did a live burnout in the wide body Hellcat. Go check that out, link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is such a sexy looking truck. I just wish it didn't sound like a little bitch every time you step on the gas with that V6 that it has. Can't wait to see if Ford actually puts that 7-liter V8 on the new Raptor. Check out this quick clip of my Ford Raptor back in 2010 when I took it off-roading.
Damn!
Good morning guys, welcome to JMC Rides. So today I'm actually taking my 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock. Try saying that 10 times in a row. Taking it to the dealership because we have another problem with the Jeep. Now this isn't a new problem. It's been an issue that I've been dealing with the Jeep since I pretty much bought it. And that's the water leaks. Whenever it rains hard, the carpet in the front of the Jeep, everything's been getting kind of soaked. I brought the Jeep in to get this water leak issue fixed months ago. I still have the same issue now. Granted, I know this water leak issue with the Jeeps, it's a very common thing. A lot of Jeep owners basically just learn to just live with it. I figured since the Jeep is still under warranty, why not just bring it again? You know, I'll keep bringing it back in until hopefully maybe they actually are able to fix it. Now keep in mind my last Jeep, which was a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock also, had the same exact issue, and that Jeep I actually brought to the dealership probably like 2 or 3 times to fix the water leak issue. No luck. I know some Jeep owners say that they don't have any issues with water leaking into their vehicle. Now, granted, you're not gonna find the issue unless you're looking for it. I would find it hard to believe if you have like a foot of snow on the top of your Jeep and it sits there like that for like a good day or two, that you're not gonna have any kind of water on the carpet or anything like that. But if you don't, please let me know. But keep in mind, you're not gonna notice it unless you check. You gotta literally lift up your carpet, put your hand underneath, and you'll see if it's wet or not to really know if it's actually leaking. This Jeep has been pretty much slowly becoming my daily driver. I still have the other car, the Ultima. The Ultima will be gone within the next 2 weeks. I've been fixing little things here and there on the Ultima so that hopefully it passes the lease inspection when I bring it into Nissan. But other than that, guys, besides the stupid leak issues, and even if the leak issue doesn't get fixed, I love this JK. If anybody out there is ever considering getting a Jeep, this is the kind of vehicle you could use all year round, whether it's snowing, in the summertime, go hit the beach, drive on the beach, that kind of thing. Regardless of the weather conditions, floods, whatever it is, this is the vehicle you want to have, you know, whenever any of those situations come up. I know I haven't been making as many videos about the Jeep. That's because for the guys that are new to the channel, my Jeep has a 3.5-inch lift and it's on 37s. There's also no steps. All I have is the regular rock sliders. You probably don't know that I had a really bad knee and I'm already on my 2nd surgery on this knee. And having a bad knee and trying to jump in and out of a Jeep like this, it's not very easy. So between that and when you go off-road, you're always getting in and out of the Jeep, kind of checking, make sure that when you're climbing over rocks and that kind of thing, that you're not messing something up on the Jeep. So getting in and out of the Jeep in situations like that was also straining the heck out of my knee. So I did have that 2nd surgery. The knee is definitely feeling better. It's not 100%, but it's definitely feeling better. So I have a feeling that the Jeep off-road videos will be coming very soon. I'm gonna have to go and hit up some of my Jeep off-road buddies very soon to see if they want to go hit those trails. Anyway guys, let's go ahead and drop off this Jeep at the dealer so they can go ahead and take a look at this water leak issue. Guys, stay tuned for the next video. Next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how many miles I actually got out of these drag radials.